So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology.
Alright, I'm working on the last rust repairs. So the last thing to do here, and then all the rest will be history. Got this hole here, and one right there. So I'm gonna get on that, finish that up. So nice out. It's like 35 degrees. There's the shifter. I put some metallic paint on it just to make it look a little better. I tried to polish it up, but it didn't really make it shiny. So I think that looks pretty cool like that. Alright, that's cut. I've already begun to shape my piece. And I also gotta change the idler pulley on this van here. Squeaky. Let's try to show. It's loose. Oops, dropped the ball. There it is. Gotta get the bolt. It's under there. Alright, I've swapped that pulley out. Let's see if that fixed the problem. Yeah, it sounds better. Not squealing. Stupid hood's not closing all the way. Well, at least they circled the problem. Doesn't even fit in here. Goodness. Well, there it is, the little piece tacked on. The next pieces to make are these. I might try to make this all in one piece here, but it's kind of a difficult curve there. You can see this side. Alright, the next piece is tacked on. And now the last piece. Alright, I'm creeping up on it here. Got that other piece tacked in, and I only got one little triangular one there to do. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Got that little triangular piece in right there. You can see that's about the right shape. It looks pretty close to the other side. Alright, I'm starting on that now. Alright, it's all welded up. And this one over here looks pretty good. Alright, there it is, all ground down. It looks pretty darn good, just like the other side. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And that just about wraps it up with the rust repairs. A year and a half of rust repairs, and I'm finally done. That's the last of it. The truck is officially, I declare the truck officially rust free.
Beating my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.